We're going to solve Project Euler problem 42. In this problem we are given the triangle numbers and we are given a list of 2000 words, and in the problem we have to convert each word into its numerical value, so to speak, by adding up the ordinal value of each character in the word, and we need to sum up all the word values. We need to count all the word values that are a triangular number. So in order to do this, I already wrote a function sanitize, because as you see, here are the input words. They are in this format with quotation marks and commas that we don't want. So this function, which you can revise by pausing the video, will convert it to a list of strings. Each string is a word. So what we're going to do, we're going to calculate all the triangular numbers, and in order to get a set of them that we can use to look up if a number is triangular or not. So let's do this. We are going to write triangular numbers, or triangle numbers, whatever, and this is a set of integers. So of course what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to import data.set. So the triangular numbers, well, actually, let's take a look at how many of these triangular numbers we will need to calculate. So we have these words, and one word will have at most about 20 characters, and each character can have a maximum value of 26. So each word can have a maximum word value of, well, let's say about, I don't know, 400 or so. So in order to do this, we are only going to calculate the triangular numbers up to, well, I don't know, about, let's say 400 or so. I'm going to calculate the first 20 triangular numbers. I don't know what the exact value is. So the formula was that the nth triangular number is calculated by n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And we're going to do this for each n from 1 up to 20. And this will suffice. So that these are our triangular numbers. Now we can define a function that is called isTriangle number, which will perform a lookup in the set that will tell us if a number is triangular or not in a very fast way, in O of log of 20. So we're just going to call the function member of triangular numbers. Now for the word values, we're going to have a function that's called word value, and this will take a string and calculate the word value of the string. Now this can be done as follows. We have a string which is a list of characters, and well, we need to convert each character into its value and then sum them up. So in order to convert each character to its numerical value, we can map the following function. We map a character to, well, the ord of it, we call ord, which is in data.char, and this will give us well, the ordinal value, so to speak. Not qualified. Now the ordinal value is the value in the ASCII table. We don't want that, we want the value in the alphabet, so we need to subtract the ordinal value of capital A and then add 1. Okay, now sum them up, and that's our word values function. Or better, word value, because it's only one value. Okay, now we're all set to write our main function. So main is defined as follows. First of all, we need to read in the list of words, since they are in a separate file. So this can be done by read file. And then mapping the function sanitize, which I wrote here in the top of the file, over it. With fmap. Alright, so these are our words. Now, well, for each of these words we're going to calculate a word value, so map word value onto these words. We're going to filter these word values according to their, well, if they are triangular or not. And then we're just taking the length of this list. And then we print the result. So let's go ahead, compile this. And run it with time. And as you see, this gives us the correct answer in 0.00 seconds. Thanks for watching.